How to clear cache and cookies on iPhone. It's pretty simple and quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First, all you gotta do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and move into apps. In this page, tons of different applications on your device will be available to you. Search for the application or web browser Safari and then click on it. Now scroll down until you see the option where it says Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it. Select the time frame that you want to clear and then also select Close All Tabs right over here. Simply toggle on this button and then click on Clear History. The history and the website data will be cleared. Along with that, all the cookies and the cache will also be cleared, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.